You're the oldies here.
Yes,
You've been.
thank you.
How long have you been in the Buxton service for? Fire
I've
service?
only been in the Buxton service for about 8 years.
8 years. Who's 17? Did someone say they've been in about 17 years?
Bobby's got great.
Yeah. Yeah.
20.
How long? 20 years. So how long have you been doing the breakfast at the park here, Australia Day?
Oh, 10 that I know of, yeah.
10 years at least. Yeah, it's always successful, isn't it?
Absolutely
Everybody
wonderful.
comes.
Our best fundraiser for the year.
Yeah,
Been a great day.
yeah. But the Christmas party was successful, wasn't
It
it?
was successful, yes.
Yeah. How much did you make then?
They tell me it was $2,714 clear.
Wow.
Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
Yeah, that's great.
Absolutely.
So when do you meet? How often do you meet?
First and third Tuesdays of every month.
The third.
First and third.
First and third Tuesday of every month. And what do you
2
do
o'clock to
then?
4 o'clock.
Four-
Train. Just training general.
So are you looking for more recruits?
Always.
Or is Lou a recruit? Are you a recruit?
I'm an ex-firey anyway.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, long time ago.
Yeah.
Too old and broken now.
You're old and broken. Anything I feel.
So yeah. So
Old
what?
and broken twice as much.
So what sort of things do you do on a Tuesday?
Well, we make sure everything's filled up. The trucks are all filled, full of water and clean, and
Yeah.
you know anything needs doing, we do it. That's it. Fill up tanks,
Clean the shed out.
clean
Yeah.
the shed.
So you'd recommend joining the fireys, the rural fireys?
It's worth a couple of hours every second, first and second, third.
Okay. So we'll put it out there and get some more youngsters.
Get some people.
Yeah.
Sounds good. All right.
Okay. See you later.
Okay, bye.